YouTube. Today we'll be playing a game called Baker's Valley. So let's get right into it. So this game is about baking a cake. And then I'll teach you how to make like 3-layer cakes, 2-layer cakes, square cakes, 1-layer cakes. I'll teach you how to do that in this video. This video is kind of a video, but at the same time it's a tutorial. So let's get in. So when we're in, as you can see, you have this orders. You have to pick up an order. As you can see, the batter I have to do is vanilla. And here you can choose chocolate, vanilla, fudge, or velvet. But I want to do vanilla because my batter is actually vanilla. And then as you can see, it looks square. So you're gonna have to go to square and then click the switch. And it has to be vanilla here too. And then you have to pull out your tray and click the one that you made it. After that, you have to put it in the stove. You have to click this black thing, this black place where you put the cakes on, and then you click the green button. And as you can see, it cooks. But it takes no time to do that. As you can see, it's done. And after that, you have to go to this cake tin wash. You have to click, and then, as you can see, it's due. And then you have to go here, and don't go here yet, okay? I'll show you this. So as you can see, my icing is lavender. You can choose red, orange, gold, green, blue, lavender, chocolate, and vanilla. But I have to do lavender because my icing is lavender. And I put it there, and then I click the switch. And you probably should always have your tray out also. Because, you mostly use your tray for everything. And then you click it, and then now you go to the topping station. You can choose sprinkles, gummies, candles, and fruit. But I have to go for gummies, because as you can see, my topping is gummies right there. I have to click that, then click the switch, and as you can see, it rains on the cake. And then there it is. Then you click here, and it is sent to the person that wants it. And as you can see, now I'm going to show you how to do a 1-layer cake, which instead of it's a square, it's this, a circle. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you just like all the first stuff. So it's going to be chocolate, red, and sprinkles, okay? So you have to choose chocolate. Well, you can choose any flavor you want. Instead of going to square, you have to go to large. Then you have to click switch. And then when you do that, it's really the same thing as square, but it's not. And then you have to click your stuff. Just do the tutorial you did for the square. I mean, it's really like I would say the square and the large is just like the same thing, but except the 2 layers and 3 layers, they're different than this though. That's So I'm not sure where my So we go to sprinkles, and we go here, then we go here. This person doing the same exact thing, but except it's vanilla. So as you can see, I go here, and I click there, and boom, my cake is boxed in. So as you can see, I will now do a 2-layer cake. Which 2-layer cakes, it can never be with a square. It can never. So, just for fun, I'm gonna do, chocolate, because I bet all of us like chocolate, and they have to choose large, and then you have to choose medium. So you have to choose 2 of these for 2 layers, and then you have to put 1 there, and then you put 1 there. Like, you don't need to put on a specific table. Like, you can mix it with other people. You should probably do it in like your own row, not your own. Yeah. So then, you put 1 in there, 1 in the stove, and 1 in the stove. And also, if you want to make a 3-layer cake, you can't put 3 in because it only lets you do 2. As you can see, you have to cake tin wash these both, and you have to be very careful. You have to click the large, and then you have to click the medium. And then, as you can see, it goes on my cake. And then, I'm really doing almost the same thing as this girl. And then, now you just put your toppings. And it doesn't take, as usual, it takes a bit longer because you have more layers, as you can see. So I do that, and then I put my toppings, and also it's okay to not do toppings, because like you also don't need to do toppings. Like you could also wait for orders, but I'd say you should not be this guy just waiting for order. Like if you want an order, you should probably just go to the cashier and order a dude and just be like, "What's up? What do you want?" "Oh, I want a velvet blue candle cake." Yeah, and then, yeah, that guy already took it. Well, I mean, he didn't want it. So, now I'm going to show you how to do a 3-layer cakes. 3-layer cakes are the hardest. And as you can see, I'm going to do velvet, and I'm going to do, like, chocolate there, and then I'm going to do, like, gummy, like fruit. Okay. So, as you can see, now I'm going to click large, medium, and small. Yeah, large, medium, and small. And as you can see, I'm going to put it all there. Large, medium, and small. Now you cook it up. And as you can see, if I try putting this in, you can only have 2 cakes in the oven at once. So yeah, that's one thing. And as you can see, I'm quite quick. I mean, I have been playing this game on my other alt account. But yeah, most on 3-layer cakes, you have to be careful. Because now you've put the large, then the medium, then the small. So as you can see, this is the 3-layer. And I'll show you something pretty cool. The next one. Okay, so let's just do that. And then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do that. So let's, and I'm also gonna show you how to do a multiple colored cake. Yeah, a multiple colored cake. And it's also impossible to do a 4-layer. Sorry, guys, you can't do a 4-layer cake. You can't. But except I'll show you how to do a multiple cake, which is actually really cool. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do the multiple cake. So like, you're gonna have to do the same thing, except I'm gonna do with fudge, large, medium, then small. Okay. And we will also not stack each other, but we will. Okay, don't worry, we will stack them together. Well, why will we not is just because. No, I'll show you, alright? I'll show you how to do this. Baker's Valley is a game where you can like create a lot of cool things. And you also can't create a square layer cakes. No, you can't do that. In real life, you can do many more things than Baker's Valley, but okay, this dude took my place, but that's fine, So as you can see, this large cake, you have to take it, and then you can put any color you want. I'm gonna put gold, and then you're gonna have to do that, and then you can make each color you want. I'm gonna make it blue, but as you can see, you can only ice one cake at a time. So then we're gonna have to do something like that, and then we're gonna have to ice this cake right there. We're gonna have to do that right there. We're gonna have to do that, because as you can see, that's blue. Now this, we're gonna do a white, which is vanilla. So as you can see, you guys might know what I'm doing here. It's just that you gotta ice one each of them, and you have to be very careful. Large, medium, then small. As you can see, there's your multicolored layer cake. I call multicolored layer. I can't say multicolored layer cake. Okay. As you can see, this is your multicolored layered cake right there. And And get in there. As you can see, this is going to be the end of the video. This really just a tutorial. But the next part will like me doing like 2 layers, 3 layers, like real stuff. So yeah, this was just a tutorial video. So bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.